So Vince is sleeping and I don't want to wake him up. I'm currently 9 days DPO and I am so impatient. So I want to do a test. I just woke up not too long ago and now I have to pee. I'm gonna use this one for at least 10 seconds. Also, I'm 10 days DPO today. It could actually be 9, I'm not too sure. Okay, I'll be right back. Got the test in here. Put it back in the thing. I don't know if it's gonna detect anything or work at all, but let me tell you the symptoms I've been having. Like, I remember last time my boobs would be hurting, but that's like after and really close to my period. And whereas today is 4 days before my period, expected period. So who knows? But I've been really tired lately. I don't know if it's the hormones or not. And what else? Acne, but that could just be a me thing. Little cramps. I got like a little pinching. It's not painful. I don't get cramps usually when I'm about to get my period. So I was like, maybe. And then what is this doing? Oh, bloating. I think last week around the 8th, the 9th, or the 9th to the 10th, that's when I started feeling tired. And there's weird crampy thing feeling. It's not like, oh, 3 minutes is done. I'm scared. I kind of accidentally peed all over it. It's negative. It's negative. But I don't think these ones could even detect. But I just wanted to see. I do have the first response one, but those are expensive, so I don't want to use it. Now I gotta find the garbage and throw this away so Vince doesn't know. Because I'm so impatient. Anyways, I am just gonna get ready for the day now. I'm doing another one. I don't really care about these ones because they're from the dollar store. And I don't know if it's like yesterday was 10 days DPO because I have 2 apps. And one of them is like a day late and the other one is, I don't know. I don't know how to do this. I don't want a cup. I don't want to use a cup, so I'm gonna try to use this. Hopefully I don't pee on myself. Okay, that wasn't too difficult peeing on that. And I did not pee on myself. I remember this one is like the COVID test looking one. And I think you put 3 drops in it. But let's double check again. Oh, it says to use gloves to collect your pee. Okay, 2 to 3 drops for only 5 minutes. Okay. 1, 2, and 3. Alright, 5 minutes. I'm gonna clean up and it's negative. It's negative. But for some reason, I have a feeling that this time didn't work. Yeah, there's like nothing. But these are from dollar store. You're supposed to wait a little bit longer, and I am impatient. Why is it? It's not coming from here, so it's not electronics. Where is the sound coming from? Where's the sound coming from? Is that the next door neighbor? Grab my phone just in case. Okay, I can hear it in the lunchroom. It's the loudest here. Like, is it next door? Smells a little smoky. Why is it still here? It's not that. I'm looking at this thing. Where's the... Oh my gosh. It's not fire alarms. Okay, it stopped. Maybe it is the neighbors, because I heard it's not downstairs, I don't think. I just turned on the cameras downstairs, so I don't think it's us. Could be next door. And I am alone here, so... Gosh. Oh gosh. It's snowing.